Is your chicken hungry? I'm starving. Does your chicken just need some attention? Well, we have the place for you. Welcome to Bob's Chicken Bar.
Oh, I just love Bob's Chicken Bar. It always has the stuff that I always want, especially when my food bowl is empty.
At Bob's Chicken Bar, we have all the food you want. Like scratch, corn, alfalfa. I don't know why you want that. Crumble and everything else you desire. Only at Bob's Chicken Bar. And to roll out the welcome mat, we're giving you 25% off all of your favorite foods.
The 25% off discount really helps me and my family.
And for all of you rabbit type eaters, we have rabbit food just for you.
I just love how Bob's Chicken Bar is so inclusive for me.
So when your feed bowl is empty, come to Bob's Chicken Bar.